It's been 65 years since this wonderful old girl rolled off the production lines at Avro. So today you join us here at the Newark Air Museum and we're about to go on board this wonderful old beast, WR977 Shackleton Mark III Phase 3. Lovely old girl she is.
Couldn't wait to get away, yeah.
Now for a look on board, WR977. So here we go, keeping your head low as you enter the aircraft, and on board we go. And of course down here, an observer's point, and there will be cameras there under the floor. And there's the observer's position at the tail, and there is the bays with the cameras. Horrible toilet paper, and of course a chemical toilet. These are not standard fit on a Shackleton. Then coming round, we have the observer points here, and of course here. Now looking forward, you can see these two jacks either side. This one here, and this one just here. And there for the radome that's under the floor, just here. And here's that radome from outside, in the retracted position.
On the screen.
Flare stowage, and of course flare launchers. And here, where the flare chutes come out on the outside of the aircraft. Moving forward, nice square pans there. And we're into the galley.
And then obviously the target drop.
And of course the bunks, covered in the actual leather.
And you could use that. Sometimes what you do to find the wind is drop a small
dinette, complete with seat belts, but not for your tea.
What it did was it took
now moving forward into the main part of the aircraft, and those wing spars. As you remember, the easy enough to get over, the not so easy to get over, and bloody hell.
Look what the head-up display. Oh, this is not bad. You can pull the curtain so you got a nose. Oh right, yeah. Yeah. The gun sights is that thing. Yeah. Move in concert with the guns. Yeah.
The radar.
I'm into engineer's panel.
Down here, either side, and then the guns.
Right, so into the cockpit. 977. Keeping off the actual leather, of course, as Anne used to say. There's the nose wheel steering, which is this bit on the column, and into the nose. So what's it like to be on board a Shackleton when the engine's running? We were lucky enough to go down to Coventry and be on board WR963 when all four of those weapons were grabbed. Though not apparent as you're looking at it like this, WR977 is a 6-engine aircraft. Not only 6 engines, but mixed power plant. Both piston engines, with 4 Rolls-Royce Griffons, and of course jet engines with 2 Viper engines, which are housed in the outer nacelles, this being the air intake for one of them. These were only used during takeoff, when the aircraft was heavily loaded, and was a Phase 3 modification. During restoration, this aircraft gets to be known as the museum's 4th bridge. It always takes so long to do the restoration of it. It's been done on multiple occasions, as you can see here in 2016. In recent times, WR977 has been closed to the public due to COVID, and then due to the shock discovery of the degradation of the undercarriage legs, which has necessitated the fitting of these jacks. Currently there's a fund for the repairs to be made, which can be found on Newark Air Museum's website.